Hi friends, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to prototype a clickable button. Let me import my desktop frame. Now I'll have my text, my label. This will be a button. So I can make this 14. Okay, let me increase this to 18. Alright, can give this a green color. Um, can make this let's say 35. So I can add an auto layout to this, so can centralize this. It is 12, 12, um, 24, 24. Can give this a corner radius of 8. So this would be a stroke. This would be an outline button. So outline button can be green color. So this is our button. So this will be an outline button, but whenever we hover over this, it will turn to a field button. So let's do that right away. So we're going to duplicate this. Okay, I can just fix this. Then let me duplicate this. So when we hover over this button, it will change to a field button. So this is going to become a field button. So this will be field. All right. So the text will change to a white text. So or should I say very light green would be okay. Can give this 98 or 99. That's okay. So then we are going to get our final state, which would convey the elevated state of the button. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to add drop shadow and inner shadow to this. So we are going to add a drop shadow to this effect. So we're going to drop shadow. So we are going to drop 180. We can uh, make this maybe 93. Then this button is this is 35. So we're going to make this 25. A shadow. Then can make this 86. Can make it 80. Now we're going to add an inner shadow. So inner shadow, I'm going to 120, 93. Then this, let me make this 44. increase this a bit. All right. So this button is elevated now. So we can, if we want, we can remove the stroke. So we can now take this up a bit just to convey the impression of an elevated button. So we can, so we have nudge of one. So we can take this up, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay, that's okay. So we can now start with the prototyping. So we go to prototype. Here we connect this to this. So when we hover, while hovering, so we are going to preserve this. So it's going to dissolve. Let it dissolve into this. Then, while we are still hovering, let it go to this while hovering. It will go to this smart animate into this. And now, when we click on this button, it's going to go back to this very button. It's going to, when click, it's going to smart animate to this. So now let's run, we're going to run this. Let's present this and see how it works. So we have an elevated button, but it's quite slow. So we are going, let's go back to this. So we are going to make it quite fast. So we can reduce this to, we can say 80 to this. So when we click this, okay, let this be 80. We can reduce this to 40. So let's refresh this. So we have a clickable button. Oh, so when we take out our mouse, it should change to an outline button. So, but it doesn't do that. If we remove our mouse, it's still a field button. So let's go back. So okay, we are going to connect this back to this. So we say mouse leave, let it go back to this. So we are, let's refresh this. It changes to align button. It's not working. So all right. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.